The dash camera market is being flooded with outside competitors offering more features for less money. To counter this, big-name manufacturers are releasing a line of new products to try and stay ahead of the curve. For the team at Cobra, they looked to build upon their great line of cameras, like the CDR 900. But can they reduce the price, improve the design, and stay ahead of the competition? We gave the Cobra 855BT dashcam a whirl to find out. The packaging includes the 8855BT camera unit, windshield mount, USB to micro USB cable, 8GB micro SD card, and 12-volt power cable. Because this is a budget device, the camera body is composed of light plastics that can feel rather unsubstantial. This isn't to say that the camera will fall apart in your hands, but don't expect a solid metal build like the stuff from some manufacturers like Vantrue. The design of the camera is thankfully more rounded than the simple and square style of last year's CDR 900. For this updated design, Cobra has also improved the interface to incorporate 4 buttons under the display screen. This allows for easy access to common controls like the display on/off, mute, unmute, pause, record, and capture photo actions. Additionally, you find a button above the screen to capture and save an emergency recording, so it cannot be overwritten. On the right side of the unit is an HDMI output and micro USB port. The left side has a slot for the micro SD card and an unused accessory port, used to connect GPS on CDR 875G model. The camera will turn on and begin to record once plugged into a power source in your vehicle. A small battery can power the unit for around 30 minutes, but keeping it plugged in is recommended. The default setting records in the highest 1920 by 1080 pixel resolution at 30 fps. At this quality, you will fill the standard 8GB memory card in around 2.5 hours. The lower 1080 by 720 pixel resolution setting at both 60 fps or 30 fps will fill the memory card at around 2 and 4 hours, respectively. For most consumers new to the dash camera market, a device like the Cobra 855BT is a fantastic place to start. Those who quickly glance at the product description of the 855BT might assume GPS size,